Hello students, in previous class we have completed the exercise 2.6. Today we will solve the questions of exercise 2.7. 2.6 was based on the multiplication of decimal numbers. We have learned there how we can multiply the decimal numbers. Today we will learn the division of the decimal numbers. Now see the first question. We have to divide 0.4 by 2. We have to divide 0.4 by 2. We know that 0.4 can be converted as a fraction. You know that how you have to convert it. I had told in previous classes. You know that you have to remove the sign of the decimal, have to write only digits. So after removing the decimal, here will remain 04. 04 means only 4, and at once you will write upon, and you can see that one number is given after decimal. So we have to keep 10 with the 1, then the number will form 10. So it will be 4 upon 10. Multiply. You know that when you are converting sign of division as a sign of multiplication, at once you will have to write the reciprocal of the division. So you know that 2 means 2 upon 1, and when you will write its reciprocal, then it will be 1 upon 2. So now you can divide here also. 2 is in denominator and this 4 is in numerator. So 2 2s are 4. Otherwise you can multiply first, then you can divide. Like that I have done. So 4 1s are 4 and 10 2s are 20. You know that 2 2s are 4, and 2, when you will divide the 20 by the 2, you will get the 10. So answer is 2 upon 10. Here you have to see carefully. 2 upon 10, when you are getting a fraction such that whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000 and so on, so these fractions are called the decimal fractions. And if you have to write in decimal, then it is too easy. Its meaning is that 2/10. Its meaning is that 2/10 means we have to keep this 2 at the 10th place. So you know that the 10th place is at once after the decimal. So we have to write this 2 at the 10th place, and here was not any number, so we'll write the 0. Otherwise you can do like it. You can see here given that the 10 in denominator, so we have to keep the 1 digit after the decimal. Here given that 10, so we have to keep the one number after the decimal. So you can see here we have only one number, that is 2. So after decimal, if we will write the 2, then here is not any number, we will write the 0. So directly you can do. Otherwise using the place value also you can write in this form. Now see the second question. 0.35 divided by 5. So same as 0.35 can be written 35 upon 100. You know that here 2 digit is given after the decimal. So we have to write the 20 in a denominator. So it will be 35 upon 100. 5, it was the sign of division. We will convert as a multiplication. So we will write into 5 upon 1 was there. Its reciprocal will be 1 upon 5. Here you will divide because this is in denominator and this is in numerator. So it can be divided. 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. Now multiply remaining numbers. 7 1s are 7 and 100 1s are 100. Again you have a two option. You can decide its value by its place. Otherwise you can write directly. It is the 700th. So we have to keep this 7 as the 100th place. Otherwise you can see that here 2 zeros are given. So we have to keep the two numbers after the decimal. So you can see here only one number. So we will write the 7, and at the place of one number we will write the 0. We had to keep the two number. We had only 7, so that's why we will increase the 0. So it will be 0.07. Here was not any number, then we will write the 0. So the number will be 0.07. It is our answer. If here was 3 zeros, then we will write one more 0, means 0.007. If here was the 4 zeros, then we will write the one more 0 also. Now see the question number 6. You have to do the remaining question. I am doing only the 3 question of the first one. Same like that you have to do the remaining question. See that 14.49 divided by 7. So you can see that before this we have a number such that where at the whole number place given that the 0, but here you can get that the numbers, you can see that 14 is given, so you are getting a number first time like it, so you will understand it carefully also. 14.49 divided by 7, same as you have to do, you have to convert into fraction. You know that here you will write, first you have to remove the symbol of decimal, then it will be 1449. Two numbers were given after the decimal, then you will write the 2 zeros, so it will be 1449 upon 100, and into you have to write reciprocal, then it will be 1 upon 7. Now 7 2 ja 14, we have to take two number together, so we will have to write the 0. So 7 7 ja 49, it will be 207 upon 100. You can see that here 2 zeros are given, so we have to keep the 2 digit after decimal, count from the last place. So 1 2, we have to mark here decimal. You can see that I have kept here decimal, so it would be 2.07. here 2 zeros were given, so that's why we will keep the 2 digit from the end. If here was 3 zeros, then we will write the all after the decimal. If here was 4, then we will have a less of 1 digit, then we will write at that place 0.